It's always better to overestimate the cost of repairs and make the seller a lower offer. If the seller agrees to your bid and your repair costs end up being less than your estimate, then you take all that money home as profit. But on the flip side, if you make an offer that's too high and you cut corners when it comes to repairs, that might backfire on you. And you could lose money on the deal, and even worse, lose all that time you put into it when you could have been out doing more deals. So the number one expense that you should be worried about is how are you spending your time? If the time you're investing is not going to bring you a high return, then you need to reconsider what you're doing with that time.